the lighting ceremony in our city, and the theme for this Christmas is Christmas in the Woods. I decided to attend this year because last year the Christmas decorations got destroyed. I waited for it after the opening, but right now I'm just going to attend the opening. And as you can see, there is a lot of people here. Most lights are actually turned off, and I hope they will start within 30 minutes because the crowd is getting bigger here. I'm glad that this section has been repaired because last year this has been badly damaged, and they have been repairing it for the past few months, and it's complete now. This section has also been fixed, but it's not a boardwalk anymore because I think it's concrete. Previously these are made of wood, that's why it's called boardwalk, but now it's cement or concrete because again it was destroyed by the typhoon. All of these stores in the boardwalk are actually brand new. They just opened today just to align with this event because they know there will be a lot of people here today. And it starts to rain, so everyone's running around. I'm not sure if they're going to continue because everything is wet. The Christmas lights are wet, the fireworks are wet, and I'm very wet, so I'm not sure if they're still going to continue, but I hope they will because I've waited almost an hour now for this one. The rain started again, so everyone's running. I don't think they will light up the Christmas lights and the fireworks, so I'm just gonna head home now. That happened, and I think I'll just go things failed already. But I'll just come back later or tomorrow and I'll show you the designs or the Christmas lights for this year. And I think it's very like amazing for this year. It's been 3 days since I came here and everything's turned on. Because the theme for this year is Christmas in the Woods, there are also a lot of like these log cabins inside here, and I'll check if I can get inside in one of these. This is actually one of my favorite area where there are a lot of Christmas trees on display. And it starts to rain again, so everyone's running. Even if it's raining, a lot of people are still taking photos or pictures of their kids because these displays are actually very amazing. And this is the playground area and they filled it with Christmas lights. Of course, the city hall is well decorated and there are a lot of children or people taking their photos. This Christmas tree is actually very massive because I can actually see this from my bedroom window. This area is called Pasilong sa Cebu and currently they are closing it because it's full of people right now. Christmas decorations inside this area, the Pasilong, is actually muted or simple because this area is actually gorgeous or beautiful by itself. at the back of the tree, and the back of the Christmas tree is as good as the front. Actually one of those few days where there's traffic or lots of cars in this area. There's a new ramen store here. I might have to try that. Of course, they have to put Christmas lights in the skywalk because this is one of the places where you can see this from the highway. I guess that's all the Christmas decorations for you to see, and thank you for watching.